If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want
happy and you know it and you really want to show it, don't say only happy, because there's a big list of words you can use instead of this boring happy. So I brought you all these today. Let me tell you what all they are. Oi, let me tell you the first one. Cheerful. This is a cheerful day. Glad. I'm glad I'm meeting you. Joyful. My new game is very joyful. Bliss. I'm in a bliss, which means I'm in a happy mood. Jolly. I feel jolly because my friends are coming home. Delighted. I feel delighted today. Pleased. I feel pleased in meeting you. Good. This should be a good morning and a good day for you all. Yes, this should be a good morning and a good day for your friends. So, I brought you some words which you can use instead of this boring happy. So, when you speak, you can use all these words here. So, I hope this will be a wonderful lesson. It's always fun to learn new words because everyone will love listening to our speech. So, I hope this was a wonderful lesson. I hope you all like this lesson. I'll meet you all in a new video. Tata bye bye from me, Yashwanth. Bye 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 bye.